Hi everybody, it's Crystal. How's everybody doing? I hope everybody's doing well and staying safe. I am doing wonderful today. So, I'm going to show you some mystery boxes from Lion Brand. Oh, you know how they put them out every once in a while, and I always like to get them every once in a while and see if they're new or different from the ones I got the time before. Usually, if I buy more than one, they'll be the same, but if I buy them like weeks apart, they'll be different. Usually. I don't know. Let's see what's in them. So if you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and that like button if you like my video. Alright, so here it is. Lion Brand. Bought these several weeks ago, but they had some slow shipping going on, so I'm not quite sure what is all this stuff. Okay, so I got two mystery boxes. They were $19.99. Wait, four. I got four. Two bulky, super bulky mystery boxes, and two light weight and worsted weight mystery boxes. So here are their bulky. They're bags, not boxes. It came in a box. Or there's a bit. It's in a big box, but there's two bags of bulky and then two boxes of the worsted weight. So I can only imagine that these two bags of bulky are going to be the same, but that's okay. It's always fun to see, right? I've never seen them send them in a bag before. Homespun. So I got 3 balls of homespun. It's not one of my favorite yarns, but it's not like my least favorite. I can use it. I have several tutorials that I've made stuff out of it. So I got this pretty brown. I like that. It's just neutral. And then they gave me homespun thick and quick. So this is their super bulky six one. This is pink and gray, and this is their bulky weight regular, and this is their thick and quick. And then I got some rewind, more rewind. I have a whole total rewind from their mystery boxes. Hey, it's a different color this time though. So that was one of their bulky mystery bags. Not my favorite, but hey, that's the mystery. When it comes to mystery boxes, mystery bags, you pay for the mystery, not so much the yarn, but it's still pretty cool. Like I said, I buy this stuff just to give it away anyways, most of the time. I might use this brown homespun. Let's check out the other one. I'm certain it's going to be the same. It is. It's the same. so I got another one of these. I'll add it to my total rewind. Another one of these. It's actually a really pretty color. My lights weren't so dang bright. It's like medium and light pinks. A little bit of tan and gray, I think. Or like a mauvey, purplish gray. I can't really tell, but that's the thick, quick. You know, that could work up something kind of interesting. An interesting cowl or scarf. And then I got another 3-pack of the tan. Their regular homespun bulky, bulky weight, number 5. So that was in my 2 number 5s, 5 and 6 weights, and then I got 2 3 and 4 weights. They'll probably be the same, but you never know. They may not. Let's open them up and see. Super excited. I love mystery boxes. Even when you don't get your money's worth, or even when you do get your money's worth, because I buy them for the mystery, and just in general for the mystery. It's fun. Mysteries of boxes are fun. Alright. Okay, so I like this. I did get this in 2 of their last mystery boxes. This exact same color. This is their ice cream yarn. This is the color Pistachio. This is a lightweight 3 acrylic yarn. Now, this is my favorite color of their Lion Brand ice cream yarn. I do have 6 balls of it already, and now I have 9. So I got plenty enough to make a baby blanket out of it, which is my intentions on doing. So there's that. And then I got some mandala. Oh, they all start almost exactly the same in the center. Look at that. Not a lot of color control you got to do with that. What's this one? This is elf. Pretty. I can't remember. I got mandala last time, but I don't think it was elf. This one's really pretty. I don't think I have the elf. I could have got elf last time. No, I didn't. I didn't get that one last time. But that's pretty. Now this is pretty good mystery box actually so far. I mean, I think it's pretty good. And then, ooh, that's pretty color. I like that. And I like their basic stitch a lot. And that color is, hey, that's one of my colors. I love this color. It is Cayenne. That's pretty. And like I said, this is their basic stitch premium. It's 100% premium acrylic. I like it a lot, actually. I have quite a bit of basic stitch. I don't even think I have this color. That's beautiful. I'll keep this one, actually, and probably make a hat and scarf set of it. The mandala probably get thrown in a giveaway. The ice cream yarn probably get thrown in a giveaway, considering I only need 6 to make my baby blanket. I don't need this all. So let's check out the last box that I have to show you. We'll see if it's the same. Hey, it may not be. We all know it's gonna be, but that's okay. It's just yarn I buy for fun. It's fun yarn. I like to show you guys and share it with you guys. It's fun to open it with you guys, and then I just throw it giveaways. Fun stuff. Fun stuff. Some of it I keep, some of it I don't. So far I have one I know for certain I'll keep. Alright, so this one is also it's different than my last time I purchased, other than the this. I got the same. So I got 6 of these again, which I don't need 6. I got 3 in one and 3 in the other, because I already have 6 from the last 2 mystery boxes, so those will go in giveaways. And I got the elf again, all matching centers again. I might keep a 3-pack of the elf and give the other 3-pack away. I think that is very pretty color, actually. I love the colors in that. The greens and the blues. Probably make a pretty shawl. A lightweight 3. I like that one. And I'll definitely keep this. I don't know. I probably would make a hat and scarf set out of this. And actually, if I did that, a 3-pack would be enough. So we'll see how that goes. But they're basic stitch acrylic. Or basic stitch premium. It's really nice. I like it, and I just adore this color. It's so beautiful. So yes, so I'll definitely keep those. Maybe 1 pack of the mandalas. The other one I'll throw in a giveaway. I don't need these. Those will go in a giveaway. I don't need the tape yarn. I have a whole tote of tape yarn that's gonna be going in giveaways. I'll probably put this thick and quick in a giveaway. And these Homespuns, these brown ones, I do like them. I've been wanting to redo a project. I actually have some brown Homespun cakes. I forgot what it was called. The name of it is mango chutney. I have 6 of them. And I actually need 9 to do the coat that I want to do with it. And every time I buy a box, I'm hoping that they'll put another 3-pack of those in there, but they haven't yet. So these don't match it. So these will probably get thrown in a giveaway too, more than likely. But yeah, I see her jacket there. I have a jacket. It's not like that, but I want to make a long sleeve coat. And like I said, I have 6 of the cake form Homespun and the mango chutney, and I need 9, so I think I need 9. I'll keep buying until they send me a 3-pack of those, or I could just buy them, I guess. That's whatever. So that's all. It's all kinds of fun. I enjoy opening mystery boxes, you guys, and I enjoy talking yarn with you. Thanks for joining me, and thanks for watching. You know, as always, I hope you watch my video from start to finish. If not, I still love you, okay? I'll see you on my next video. I don't know what it'll be. I'm working on some tutorials, waiting on some new yarn to come out. And like I said, I've been doing other things. So make sure you got your notifications turned on so you don't miss out on any of my videos. And I do have a tutorial for this hat. You will find it in my playlist on my channel of hats. I have well over 100 hat tutorials. So I'll see you guys next time. All right, I love you all. Bye. Stay safe, okay?